What would happen if the free flow of a flowing river is blocked? Namaste and welcome. In this episode, we are going to discuss three very powerful processes of helping the free flow of our emotions. Our emotions are energy in motion, emotion, energy in motion. Just like a river needs to flow its natural course, so do our emotions for our health and well-being. They need to have their free flow within our body. And when we suppress or deny or reject our emotions, we block that flow. So one of the ways, it's a very simple process of allowing this free flow of our emotions is to write them out. So this is our first process of the day, which I call as VO, that is write it out. So how do you do this process? Well, you need to select a time of the day when you are likely not to be disturbed and you have a time and a space for yourself, and the process requires almost 15 to 25 minutes. And what you do is you just start writing whatever is arising within on a piece of paper. Let it come out spontaneously. There is no need to think or analyze. Just let it come out. Whatever is arising within, let it flow out on the paper. And once you are done with the process, it's like when you have nothing more within to come out, and you can stop writing and move to the next step of the process. Make two statements to yourself, and the first statement is that I am now releasing all that doesn't serve me. So you repeat the statement 3 times, and the next statement is I am now welcoming all that is needed for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. This statement also, just repeat it for 3 times, and now you take your paper in which you had allowed your emotions to flow out and just consign it to flame. I recommend burning of this paper because fire and burning is symbolic of closure or what is not needed, and also of fresh and new beginnings in life. Now, some of our emotions do not make their way out into verbal expressions, but then they remain there in the subconscious in the form of images and shapes and colors and imprints. And one of the simplest and easy to do process to let these emotions and imprints out is through drawing and painting. So this is our second process of the day, which I call as PO, that is paint it out. And to do this process, again, you require some time to yourself wherein you are not likely to be disturbed, or even you can do it in a group setting where there are others who are also doing the same process with you, and they are doing their process and you can be doing your own process. And what you need for the process is a few crayons or watercolors or acrylic colors or maybe sketch pens and a sheet of paper, and then you just intuitively choose any 3 colors and use these colors to draw and paint on this paper. Again, you don't need to be expert in drawing and painting to do this process, and all that you need to do is let your subconscious run the show. It's like your intuition allows you, and your intuition guides you to bring it out on paper, whatever needs to be brought out. And when you start feeling tight, so that's when you can end this process. And the therapeutic benefits of art has been well researched and validated by the scientific community as well. A common outcome of years of denying and repressing and suppressing emotions is that the emotional energy gets stuck and frozen and blocked within the cells and tissues of our body and the various energy, the different energy chakras and the energy meridians. And one of the ways in which we can just allow this energy to loosen up and flow is through dance. Yes, you heard it right. It's dance, and I call it dance it out. So, just like this hose which is clogged, so for the clogs to be cleared up, it needs a little shift and a little movement and a little stretching. So similarly, the emotions which are blocked and frozen in our body, they get loosened up when we allow our body into the dance movements. You don't have to be a trained dancer to do this process. You may have never even danced in your life, and it could be probably the first time that you're doing or you're dancing. And what you need to do is just allow your subconscious to guide you into the postures and the movements and the steps, and that's all. And I don't really recommend music with lyrics for this process, because then the mind goes into listening to the lyrics. And here it's better to have an instrumental music when you're doing this process. And it's best to begin with drum beats music, because drum beats music works on the root chakra, which is the base chakra. And thereafter you can proceed to the Shehnai and the violin and the piano, then the flute and the conch and shells, which work on the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, and the third eye chakras respectively. And you can give 3 days to each of the chakras, means each type of music. Amount of time that you need to dance, so it's like up to you, for as long as you want. Ideally like 20-25 minutes is good enough. So friends, we have just discussed the VO, the PO and DO, that is the write it out, paint it out and dance it out, ways of allowing our emotions to flow freely through our body and be expressed in a natural and safe manner. And you can choose to do any one of these processes or all 3 of them, whichever resonates with you and whatever resonates with you. Do these processes for 21 to 40 days to see the results in your life. And as you continue to do these processes, you will experience this lot of lightness in your mood and your energy, and a lot of liveliness of spirit, and a lot of creativity and joy and expressiveness in your life. And you will see all the areas of your life, whether it is your work or your relationships or your health, so everything starts improving for the better. So that's really wonderful, isn't it? And please do share your experiences with us. We would like to read your comments about your experiences with the processes, and you can even ask queries if you have any. For more updates, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, that is Life and Light, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Namaste.